Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make eggplant and red pepper fatteh. Fatteh is a traditional Middle Eastern recipe that includes layers of toasted pita, tangy yogurt with a garnish of pomegranate and pine nuts. This version is made with a layer of roasted eggplants, which is absolutely delicious. We know you're going to love this, so let's move on to the recipe now. Follow Don Imran Family Kitchen on Facebook and tag us on our Instagram page when you try out our recipes. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all our new recipes. Also, comment below which country you're watching from and whether you'll be giving this recipe a try. With that, catch you in the next one.